Good day everyone, Mr. Cargill here with our next AutoCAD video. Now in this video, we're going to be looking at how we go about dimensioning a roof plan. If you're looking for a video on how to draw a roof plan, you can check out the video on screen. Now in dimensioning a roof plan, you want to ensure that you dimension the perimeter of the roof. So for example, we dimension from this end to this end over here with this dimension. We also dimension this side. These are the dimensions here. Dimension right here as well. If you realize you didn't dimension here because we dimension this side and it's the same length as over here, so we don't need to dimension over here. We also dimension right here and down here and also on this side. So ensure that we have all our external dimensions for our roof. Next thing we need to do is to dimension the overhang. So the overhang is how much the roof hangs over the walls by. So these are our external walls. And then this is the edge of our roof. So in this case, our overhang is 450 millimeters or 1 foot 6 inches. We also need to ensure that we have these arrows. And what these arrows do is this. They show us the direction of the slope of our roof. Alright, so in this case, our roof is sloping down here. This is sloping down on this side. And that's sloping like that. This is sloping to the right. This is sloping to the left. And so on. We also have our ridge board here, right here. That's our ridge board. And then we have our common rafters. So you want to ensure you label these things. We have our valley rafters, our valley jack rafters. We have our hip rafters and so on. So you want to ensure that you label all of these. So right here where it says see ridge detail, we're going to do a drawing of our ridge to show a section here. So we circle this and say see ridge detail, because we're going to actually draw the detail for the ridge and the same thing for the eave. So we put CE detail right here. If you're interested in finding out how we go about doing these dimensions to ensure our dimensions look like this, you can check out the video on screen. You also want to ensure that you label your roof plan and put the scale. In this case, our scale is 1 to 50. In this case, this 10 is just here because the roof plan is our 10th page of our overall set of drawings. So we have like floor plans, foundation plans, side plans, and so on until we get to the roof plan. So that's why this 10 is right here. You would also want to dimension the space between your rafters. Or what you can do is this. In paper space, you can put the information here. So in this case, it says rafters are 600 millimeters center to center. And you can also add the size of the rafters. So down here, you want to ensure that you include your roofing materials. So we have 3 different roofing materials here. So we have 3 different cutout sections. We have the roof sarking, we have the bituminous felt, and we also have the roof tiles. So you want to include your roofing materials as well. And that's about it. It's quite simple. In terms of the vertical dimensions for the roof, those dimensions will be shown in your elevations. But all the other dimensions will be shown here in your roof plan. Yeah, so it's quite simple to dimension your roof plan. Thank you for watching and have yourselves a fantastic day.